I'm going to take you through a parametric pulley. A lot of times this comes in handy, especially for us VEX Robotics people. So this is a 3D printable. Right now it is set by default to be about 3/8 thick. And then we've also got a square hole here. Now it's important that we leave that a little bit bigger. You notice it is 0.13. The actual measurement of a VEX axle is 0.125 in there. So it's slightly bigger to allow for that 3D printing process. To go ahead and to change some of these values, you could go to modify and you could say change parameters. And when you do, and I'll try to get this zoomed out over here so we can actually see these side by side. Perhaps I need a bigger pulley. Maybe I need a 2-inch pulley. I can go over here for the pulley diameter and press 2 and press enter. And you notice the pulley grows, the square hole stays the same size, everything else kind of grows accordingly, okay? Perhaps I need it to be a little bit thicker. Maybe I need it to be a 1/2 inch thicker. Right below there's pulley thickness, and I can change that maybe to 0.5. And you can see everything goes the way it's supposed to go. But perhaps I messed up and this is only supposed to be 1.5 inches, so I could put 1.5 there. Everything scales the way it's supposed to. So by default it's at 1 and the thickness is at 0.375. So that'll take you back to the original. One other variable that you may need to play around with is right here, this axle hole length and axle hole width. That's where I set the square hole here to be 0.130. And that I've found that works pretty good on our printer. If you print one of these out and it's really tight and you're having to hammer it in, you know, you may want to increase this value. If it's too loose at this point, then you're going to need to decrease that value a little bit.